Still on palaro, a Taekwondo Jin from Muslim Mindanao fights not only for glory but for a chance at a better life. Jane Bracher reports.
For Joanne Elegua of the Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, everything that ever happened to her led her to this moment.
Ako rin nga po, kulang ako sa pinansyal, pero may goal po kasi ako na gusto ko mag-aral nito kasi may kukunin pa akong kurso na gusto ko po maabot. Tapos yun, pinaaral po ako ng tatay ko kahit naghihirap po kami. Sabi niya, hanapan niya na lang po ng paraan para maano ko rin yung pangarap ko.
Dreaming of studying criminology, Joanne took the rough road to Palarong, Pambansa. A year ago, she couldn't even afford Taekwondo gear. With the help of her school in Cotabato, Joanne joined the varsity. And with her every kick, she visualized a better future for her and her parents back home. She also dedicates every kick to her sister, whom she will never see again. Joanne lost her 3-year-old sister when she was just 4. Her sister fell in a fish pond and drowned.
Sobra po kasi yung tatay ko po nagtatrabaho, tapos yung nanay ko po nagtatrabaho din yun kasi kapos po talaga kami noon. Tapos yun, hanap po sila ng paraan. Nung dumating po sila dun sa hindi kasi nila matanggap. Tapos yun, nila matanggap na ganun nangyari. Kung buhay pa nga po siya, gusto ko rin po siya magte-taekwondo din.
As her parents struggled to make ends meet, Joanne doubled her efforts in school and in Taekwondo, hoping to get a scholarship.
Gusto ko po manalo ako sa laro ito. Gusto ko po makagold ako. Pakita ko rin po sa mga magulang ko, sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak ko na nagsisikap rin po ako kasi yung lahat po ng ginagastos ng tatay ko, ayoko po yung masayang.
Unfortunately, the 15-year-old lost her only match at Palaro.
Kailangan po yung magsikap po sila sa lahat ng hirap. Huwag po sila maghinaan ng loob at saka hindi naman po lahat ng ng laro na nananalo ka. Tanggapin po kung matatalo, mananalo po. Kailangan gawin po talaga ang best.
Joanne says this is not the end of the road for her. She looks forward to other competitions and opportunities, making her parents and her lost sister proud. A fighter who only comes back harder when she is down, she continues to kick back at everything life throws her way. Jane Bracher, Rappler, Laguna.